Ram Narayan Ram. Today, we shall discuss the concept of religion to understand what it truly means. The first meaning of dharma is karma, action. Karma itself is dharma. Every action should be based on discernment guided by the directives of our conscience, which shows us the way. Following this guidance is, in essence, dharma. The greatest challenge on earth is that man-made religions in society exploit people. When people heed such religion, they often lose their way. The most crucial point is that we are born with dharma inherently within us. So, why should we follow earthly religions? The one who gave us life has already instilled dharma within us. Yet, upon coming to this earth, we create separate religions. Our body is composed of the 5 elements and dharma. Why do we not think about this? We have, in fact, become our own worst enemies, which should not be the case. Therefore, we must listen to our inner consciousness. I always say that we should reflect upon the truth of life. What is the reality of life? Act rightly, for which discernment grants us access. For this, we must engage in thought, principles, and reflection. The 5 elements are born from the sky and exist within creation, playing in the lap of the heavens. We, too, are within the sky, as is the earth. We go about all our daily activities within this vast expanse. We are particles of the divine. What greater dharma could there be? Each of these elements resides within our body, performing its work invisibly and making sacrifices for us. This should be our true dharma. Everything that has come from the sky to this earth, whether it be water, the sun, or anything else, never makes us feel indebted. They simply give. They are parts of our lives. Dharma, in its true essence, is selfless, whereas Hamanmade religions are rooted in selfishness. Religion, political parties, and constitutions are created by Humansare, leading us towards destruction. Society is deteriorating because we claim ownership over everything, then fight amongst ourselves for these rights. The earth and sky are the true owners, yet they never declare it. So why do we constantly shout, "This is ours, this is ours"? We must put an end to this mindset. Everyone should live united, in harmony. No separate religion, nor any separate language. Then we would become one large family. The main point to consider is, what is the real issue? When we go to a doctor with an illness, the doctor identifies the cause. Similarly, we need to identify the root cause of why people have become this way and then work to eliminate it from the core. Who benefits from the constitution? Only the political parties. What benefit does the common person get from it? Absolutely nothing. We should have one nation, one language, one person, one rule. Only then will our dharma align with our karma, and people will not exploit one another. We will reflect, meditate, and the energy that emerges from this will resonate in the atmosphere. We need to think along these lines and do good work. Everyone should think this way. Embrace the good deeds done by those whom people call divine, and share these virtues with others. Reflect upon them to make society better. We should always embody positive values, for this is what will make society ideal and good. This way, all people on earth will become one family, and everyone will live in happiness and harmony.